Exercise 5.6, question number 1. Name the type of the following triangle. Okay, so we saw the classification of triangles based on their sides and angles. Okay, so we have to apply that here. Okay, so first one, triangle with length of sides 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Okay, so here the sides are given. Okay, and three sides, as you can see, all the three sides, they are different. One side is 7, 8 and 9 respectively. Okay, so all three sides, they are different. So what is the triangle? If all sides are different, we call it as scalene triangle. Yes. Okay, now B question. Triangle ABC with AB is equal to 8.7 centimeter, AC is equal to 7 centimeter and BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, here also the sides are given and all the three sides, they are different. They are 8.7, 7 and 6. So all three sides, they are different. Okay, so B question also, it is a scalene triangle. Clear, children? Now C question. Triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, here also the sides are given and they are saying PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR. That means all the three sides, they are equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, if all three sides are equal, then what triangle it is? It is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so C, the answer is equilateral. Okay, now D question. Triangle DEF with M angle D is equal to 90 degree. Okay, here angle is given. Okay, so here one angle, they are saying it is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so we have learned that if one angle is 90 degree, then it is a right angled triangle. Yes or no? Okay, so D question, it is right angled triangle. Clear? Now E question. Triangle XYZ with M angle Y is equal to 90 degree and XY is equal to YZ. Okay, here E question, they have given the angle as well as the side. Okay, so one angle is 90 degree and they are saying two sides, they are equal. Okay, so if one angle is 90 degree, we call it as right angle. Okay, then side, what about the side? Inside, if the two sides are equal, it is a isosceles triangle. Okay, so E question, can we write it as isosceles right angled triangle? Can we write like this? Yes. Why? Because angle is given and side is also given. Okay, so it is isosceles right angled triangle. E question. Clear, children? Now next one, F subdivision. Triangle LMN with M angle L is equal to 30 degree, angle M is equal to 70 degree and M angle N is equal to 80 degree. Okay, here three angles are given. Okay, so three angles are less than 90 degree. Yes or no? 30 degree is less than 90, 70 also is less than 90 and 80 is also less than 90. If three angles are less than 90, then what angle, what triangle it is? It is acute angle triangle. Okay, so F question, the answer is acute angled triangle. Clear, children? Now you can take down the solution. Question number 2. Match the following. So one side the measure of triangle is given, other side the type of the triangle is given. Okay, so we have to match them. Okay, let us see the first question. Okay, now we have three sides of equal length. Okay, so when three sides are equal, what triangle it is? It is an equilateral triangle. Yes or no? Okay, so equilateral triangle. This is the first subdivision. Okay, answer. Now next one. Two sides of equal length. When two sides are of equal length, what do we call when two sides are equal in a triangle? It is an isosceles triangle. Yes, children. So our answer is isosceles. So second subdivision is isosceles. Okay. Now third one. All sides are of different length. If all sides are different, then we call them as scalene triangle. Yes or no? So scalene triangle is the answer for third one. Okay. So scalene triangle. Fourth one, three acute angles. Okay, if three are acute angles, then we call them as acute angled triangle. Yes or no? So acute angled is the fourth subdivision. Answer. Okay. Now next one, fifth one right angle. If one angle is right angle, then it is right angled triangle. Yes. So fifth subdivision, the answer is right angled. Clear? Next one obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, one is obtuse, it is obtuse angled triangle. Okay, so sixth subdivision, obtuse angled triangle is the answer. Now next one right angle with two sides of equal length. Okay, so two sides are of equal length means if two sides are equal, it is isosceles triangle. Now regarding the angles, okay, if one angle is a right angle, then it is isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, so seventh subdivision, the answer is isosceles right angled triangle. Clear, children? Now you can take down the answers. Question number 3. Name each of the following triangles in two different ways. Okay, two different ways means based on their side and based on their angle. Okay, we have to name the triangle in these two ways. Two ways also we have to name them. We have to look into the side also and the angles also. Okay, you may judge the nature of the angle by observation. Okay, so first figure you can see here in the if you take the sides, two sides they are same and one side it is different. Okay, so if two sides are same, then we call it as isosceles triangle. Yes or no? So based on their side we can say it is an isosceles triangle. And what about the angle? All three angles are acute. Okay, so it is acute angled and isosceles. Okay, clear, children? Now B question. B question, all the three sides are different, 17, 15 and 8. Okay, so we can tell it as a scalene triangle. Okay, based on the side it is scalene. And what about the angles? Angles, when you look at the angles, one angle is 90 degree. So if one angle is 90 degree, then we call it as right angled. Okay, so it is right angled and scalene. B question. Okay, now C subdivision. C subdivision, it is given as two sides are given as 7 centimeter. Okay, so if two sides are same, then it is a isosceles triangle. Okay, so based on the side we can say it is a isosceles triangle. And what about the angles? Angles, this angle is greater than 90 degree. Okay, so we can say isosceles and obtuse angled triangle. Okay, so isosceles and obtuse angled. Clear, children? Now D question, two sides are same. So two sides are same, so it is isosceles. Okay, and angle, one angle is 90 degrees, so it is right angle. Clear, children? Okay, now E question you can see all three sides they are equal. Okay, so it is equilateral. Okay, equilateral. And what about the angles? Angles, all three angles they are acute. Okay, so it is acute and equilateral. Clear, children? Now, F question. All three sides are different. So what about the triangle? It is a scalene triangle. Okay, now when you look at the angles, one angle it is greater than 90 degree. Yes, so it is obtuse angled. Okay, so obtuse angled and scalene. Clear, children? Now you can take down the solution.